In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite on your PC or laptop. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to go ahead and do, guys, is come over to your browser, whether that's Google Chrome, Firefox, or any you wish to go ahead and use. And then once you come over to your browser, what you need to do is search for Epic Games. And then once you search for Epic Games, you need to go ahead and select this top search result here, Epic Games Store official site. And then once you come over to the Epic Games website, you need to click on Get Epic Games in the top right corner right here. And then what that will do is it will initialize the installer to start downloading. And then once that's downloaded, in a second when I show you. So the Epic installer has now downloaded on my laptop, and all you need to simply go ahead and do from here is click on it and then open it up. And then because I've got Epic Games already installed on my device, it's asking me to repair or remove it from my laptop. But what you need to do if you haven't already got it is click on next and then go ahead and go through the install process. And then if I go ahead and just cross this off here and click on yes and click on finish. If I go ahead and minimize my browser here, as you can see there is the Epic Games launcher shortcut on my desktop. All I need to do now is click and go ahead and open that up. And then once you've opened up the Epic Games Store, what you need to do is simply search for Fortnite in the top right corner on the search bar. So Fortnite. And then Fortnite will pop up here, and as you can see it's free to download, as everybody already knows. So click on Fortnite. And then once it loads up, what you need to do is scroll down on the right hand side, and where it says owned, it will probably say something like installed for you guys that hasn't already downloaded and installed it on your laptop or computer. But what you need to do is just simply click on that, and then that will bring you to this stage here. And then as you can see, Fortnite's already there, added to my library, and I'll go ahead now and click on Fortnite. And then it will bring this section up here, and you can go ahead and you can turn off auto updates or turn off the create a shortcut option. But I recommend keeping those checked. And then click on install and then click on yes to go ahead and go through the install process. And as you can see now, Fortnite is starting to install on my device. So I'll come back to you guys once it's all fully installed and everything like that. So as you can see, Fortnite has now downloaded fully, and what you need to do now is just simply go ahead and double click it to open it up. So as you can see, Fortnite is now just connecting to the servers. So once it's loaded up and connected to the servers and everything like that, you'll be able to go ahead and start playing as soon as you like. So as you can see, guys, it's now fully downloaded, and that's how you go ahead and download Fortnite on your PC or laptop. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.